Welcome back to PS Marvelous Spoken English. It is easy to follow. It will be very useful to you. Subscribe my channel. நீங்கள் ஆங்கிலத்தில் எளிதாக பேசுவதற்கு பயன்படும் ஒரு சேனல் இது. உங்களுக்கு மிகவும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவதற்கும் மிக எளிதாக இருக்கும். So subscribe the channel. Today let me deal the words many, much, few, little, some, any. Let us see when should we use these words. Many means நிறைய, much என்றாலும் நிறைய என்ற மீனிங்கில் தான் வரும். ஆனால் மெனியை கவுண்டபிள் நவுன்ஸுக்கு முன்னாலும் மச்சை அன்கவுண்டபிள் நவுன்ஸுக்கு முன்னாலும் பயன்படுத்த வேண்டும். கவுண்டபிள் நவுன்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் the nouns which we can count. Example, boys, girls, trees, pens, chairs இவையெல்லாம் எண்ண முடியும். அதனால் இவையெல்லாம் கவுண்டபிள் நவுன்ஸ் எனப்படும். எந்த நவுன்ஸை எல்லாம் எண்ண முடியாதோ which we cannot count, they are called uncountable nouns. Example, oil, sand, water. Some sentences, examples for many. There are many students in the class. I have got many storybooks. There were many kites flying in the sky yesterday. In these sentences, students, storybooks, kites இவையெல்லாம் countable nouns. So we use many before these nouns. Now let us see about much. We should use much before uncountable nouns. The nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns என்றால் எண்ண முடியாத பெயர் சொற்கள். Now let us see some examples for uncountable nouns. There was much ink left in the ink pot. I have much water in my water bottle. There is much coffee in this jar. So here ink, water, coffee இவையெல்லாம் uncountable nouns. So we use much before these nouns. Some more examples for much. She gave me so much spaghetti I could not eat at all. Do you want some of the pudding? I have got too much. There is much food left. Now let us see the words how to use few, little. Few should be used before countable nouns. Little should be used before uncountable nouns. There are few students in my class. There is little water in the pot. Little coffee is enough for me. There are few trees in the park. So we have to use few before countable nouns and little before uncountable nouns. Usage of some, any. Now let us see the words some, any, how to use. Some and any can be used before countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns. I want some water. I want some snacks. Would you like to hear some good news? I enjoy some modern music. I would like some stamps, please. She didn't give me any help at all. Don't pay any attention what she says. Have you got any message? Have you met any of your friends in the alumni? These are all some examples for using the words some and any. Now let me deal the Tamil meaning. I want some water. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தண்ணீர் வேண்டும். I want some snacks. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் snacks வேண்டும். Would you like to hear some good news? உனக்கு ஏதாவது good news கேட்கணுமா? I enjoy some modern music. நான் மாடர்ன் மியூசிக்கை என்ஜாய் பண்ணுகிறேன். I would like some stamps please. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் stamps வேண்டும். So some means கொஞ்சம். Then for any, she didn't give me any help at all. அவள் எனக்கு எந்த ஹெல்ப்பும் பண்ணவில்லை. Any means ஏதாவது எந்த. Don't pay any attention what she says. அவள் என்ன சொல்கிறாளோ அதற்கு எந்த அட்டென்ஷனும் நீ கொடுக்காதே. Have you got any message? ஏதாவது மெசேஜ் உனக்கு கிடைத்ததா? Have you met any of your friends in the alumni association? Alumni means old students, old friends association. யாரையாவது ஓல்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அசோசியேஷனில் நீ உன்னுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் யாரையாவது பார்த்தாயா?